Free prizes din tayo for best female.
Nandun lahat. Babae yung nasa area.
Bigatin talaga yung costume. Mabigat eh. Okay, next.
Moving on.
Moving on.
Ganun din. Guys.
Now for the girl.
The girls.
Okay. First five girls.
Top of the stage.
So that's contestant number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ayan, let's start with contestant number 1. Lapit lang po kayo.
Kel! Kel!
Okay. Next is contestant number 2. Okay, contestant number 3. Ay, lumalaban na. Contestant number 4. Okay, finally, contestant number 5.
I guess we know already.
Okay.
Contestant number 4. Am I correct? Alright, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Sana, nag-click lang muna tayo. Dito ka muna sa laro. Dito ka lang.
I think panalo, I think the winner is Yuna.
I think
Yuna.
Yuna. Okay, next batch.
Next batch.
Dapat kumagana doon kayo para may mahata kayo. Okay. Dito na rin sa start. Okay, ito na lang. Go.
Okay, contestant number 1. Contestant number 2.
Kuya Pab, sa gitna.
Contestant number 3. Contestant number 4. Malaman. Contestant number 5. Okay, I think we have our winner.
Yes, I think we are.
Okay.
Okay, congratulations to Tiger cosplayer. We don't know sa likod.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Next left. Next batch. Next batch.
Okay. Okay, Kel, let's start on your side. Huwag naman kayo malayo. Dito
tayo.
Kawawa naman yung dalawa. Ayan. Pakita naman ninyo. Okay. Let's start from this end naman. Okay, contestant number 1.
Sa gitna. Ba't walang tato?
Okay. Contestant number 2. Okay.
Next.
Contestant number 3. Contestant number 4.
Reach ako.
And finally, contestant number 5. Medyo malapit yung labanan.
Ha?
Tingin ko pinakamalakas yung sa dulo.
Okay. Deleting game natin. Ikaw, gitna.
Tanggalin natin yung
Ilagay ko. Dito rin sa gitna.
tsaka green. Para malakas din siya eh.
Okay, sige.
Ito. So, sino sa kanila? Okay.
Okay, let's start from the middle. On the right. On the left. Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much.
Exit na lang kayo doon.
Sino siya? Siya lang.
Ay! Ito na. Yun.
Napaalis mo
Next
eh.
match.
Kill talaga oh.
Last match na tato.
Wow.
May isa pa. Last match.
Meron pa.
Anim.
Okay, let's start from On your side.
Okay, let's start contestant number 1.
Pwede kayong
Harap kayo
Sa
lang.
gitna, sa gitna.
Yan. Contestant number 1. Contestant number 2.
Wag.
Okay. Ayan, contestant number 3. Okay. Contestant number 4. Contestant number 5. Okay. Finally, contestant number 6.
Sige, Pablo, sino?
Hindi natin na isang run through para sigurado na, para mahina natin. Start from your end. Nasa mo. Isa-isa. Isa-isa.
Okay, contestant number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Ulitin. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1.
Ito yung nakikita ko. Harap lang po tayo.
Harap tayo, bante tayo.
Harap lang tayo. Ito. Ito.
Number 6.
Tama?
Sila yung dalawa.
Dalawa, no?
Oo.
Sige. Ito na yung chance ninyo kung sinong
Last chance.
Okay.
Number on my left. On my right. I think the right win.
Okay.
Okay. Congratulations dito ka sa likod. Sa iba, thank you very much.
For the rest, thank you very much for coming.
Okay.
Ayan.
Tira. Okay, abante tayo dito lahat.
Tayo for the finals na natin. Okay.
Pagkaka-hype
So,
lang eh.
umpisa natin. We'll start from this side. Contestant number 1. Okay, contestant number 2 naman. 2. Contestant number 3. Contestant number 4. Marami ka na. Okay. Sige. Paano ito?
Well, we've already organized that. Lahat sila panalo na.
Lahat sila panalo na.
Lahat sila panalo na. No, we need to determine fourth, third, second, and first.
Ayan. Okay. Sige. Hahanapin natin muna yung fourth.
Sigay! Sigay!
Ano nga?
Pagkakiyada ka na.
Pagkatiyan na lang sila. Hindi, actually, fourth place and third place will have the limited edition tarpaulin. Yes.
Okay. So, para
Second place, the t-shirt, and the first place, the Android.
Okay, sige. One last ha. Ito na yung chance ninyo.
Kasama na pala yung cosplay snapshot natin.
Okay.
The first one.
Okay.
Okay.
Sige. Let's determine yung fourth and third.
Yes.
Kasi pareho naman yung
Now, to determine again, kung sino, let's start from this. Wala. Okay, yun lang yun. Now, we go to the third. And the next. And the last.
Parang alam ko na yung first. Sige. Umpisa natin sa fourth and third. Sino tingin mo sa fourth and third?